Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to design this amazing, clean, and aesthetic travel style design in Canva step by step. If you want to improve your design skills and create professional looking thumbnails or posters like this, then this video is going to be super helpful for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first choose this grassland image. Increase its size and place it at bottom left of canvas. Add some other elements like rocks and grasses. Select a square and change color to blue. Increase size like this. Place this square at behind grassland. Choose this women image and place it at center of your design perfectly. Now select a text box and type the text. Increase text size, select Font League Spartan, and change text color to blue. Align the text perfectly. Go to Effect and add Echo effect on text. Place text behind women image. This is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe our channel for more this type of amazing tutorial video. Thank you for watching.